Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make clicker game in Scratch. So now, first I'm going to design the costume. Now this clicker game is just going to be a rip-off of Cookie Clicker, of course. Yeah, maybe I should make it a bit different. It's going to be red instead. You can make this sprite to be whatever. You can make this sprite to be whatever you want it to be. So I think I should just make it to be a target. There we go. So now, what I want is that when this sprite is clicked, make a variable called targets. Change this by 1, and when flag is clicked, set this targets variable to 0. It works. Hooray. Now, I'm also going to do something else. When flag clicked, forever, if the mouse is pressed, then set the size to like 70%. Of course, in the beginning, set size to 100%. Remove this one. Now it's going to if we do this, the size is going to be reduced forever. But if it's not being clicked, then set size to 100% instead. So now we got this. But the problem is, whoops, I forgot. And this is touching the sprite. Do this, else do this. So now the problem is there's no smooth transition. So instead of setting the size to just 100%, I'll set it to size multiplied by 28 maybe. Well, you see, it just does this. So size multiplied by 0.8 plus 100. Yikes. I wish there was a way we could actually see the actual value. Oh, it's this big number. Plus 10 plus 80, no, plus 20. And there we go. So now this has a smoother. Now when we click this, it's going to be smooth instead of being, well, rough like it was before. So now First, I'll make it so that by default it is going to be in the center. Go to x0, 0. And now go to here, 9, 9, 9. So now I'm going to make an upgrade. This first upgrade is going to be here. What it's going to do is that I'm going to go here, this sprite only. We know for all sprite TPS, which stands for targets per second. Change targets by TPS. Of course, we want it to be so that when flag clicked, every second it will change targets by TPS. Since TPS is 0, it's going to change as well. It's not exactly going to do anything. So I will go to when flag clicked. It's when this sprite is clicked, then change TPS by 1, but that is only if oops, oh no, I didn't make the target variable to be global. Whatever, I'm going to use my variable as a replacement for target variable instead. So I'll delete this target variable. So then if my variable is greater than 10, do this and change my variable to my variable minus 10, which is the cost. Oops, I meant change TPS. So now I'll add a plus 10 here, over here. But I meant plus 1. Cost 10. Targets. Whoops, a spelling error, no one cares. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, let's go here. Oops. Hey, wait a minute. I'm gonna click on this. Why is my variable increasing automatically? Oh, that doesn't make any sense. Ah, I forgot. I've got to change TPS to 0 at the beginning. So set TPS to 0. Then we could have a proper game of, well, oops. No, this is supposed to be set, not change. Okay, I made a mistake. So anyways. Lastly, I'm going to make a background. Now this basically just became a disc clicking simulator. Well, now I'm going to make a background. It's going to be a living room. Living room is going to have a floor, a brown floor, of course. I'm going to have this is going to be light blue. Finally, there's also going to be a table. No, not this. Forward. So anyways, that's it for today's video. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.